Good morning, fellow wellness seekers. Welcome back to Wellness Guide Hub, your go-to destination for all things health and vitality. Today, we're diving into the ultimate morning fuel, mung bean sprouts paired with crisp apple slices. Not only is this breakfast a delightful treat for your taste buds, but it's also jam-packed with nutrients to jumpstart your day with a burst of energy and wellness. Let's uncover the powerhouse benefits of our star ingredients, mung bean sprouts, rich in protein. Providing essential amino acids, mung bean sprouts support muscle repair and growth, making them perfect for starting your day on a strong note. High in fiber, these sprouts aid digestion, promote gut health, and assist in maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Nutrient-rich, loaded with a plethora of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Mung bean sprouts bolster overall health and vitality. Antioxidant boost. Their abundance of antioxidants fights oxidative stress and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Low-calorie powerhouse. Despite their nutritional density, mung bean sprouts are low in calories, making them an ideal addition to weight management diets. Now let's uncover the powerhouse benefits of apples. Apples are not only delicious, but also offer a range of health benefits. Heart health support, packed with soluble fiber and antioxidants. Apples help lower cholesterol levels and protect against heart disease. Immunity boost. With a generous dose of vitamin C, apples strengthen the immune system, fortifying your body's defense against infections and illnesses. Digestive wellness. The fiber in apples promotes healthy digestion and prevents discomfort like constipation, keeping your gut happy and balanced. Blood sugar regulation. The fiber and polyphenols found in apples aid in stabilizing blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Hydration. With their high water content, apples keep you hydrated and refreshed, contributing to overall well-being. Now let's roll up our sleeves and learn how to sprout mung beans right in your own kitchen. Start by thoroughly rinsing 1 pound or 500 grams of mung beans and soaking them in water overnight. Come morning, drain the water, leave them for 2 to 3 hours to dry, and transfer the beans to a clean cloth or sprouting jar. Ensure they're kept in a warm, dark environment. You may use an oven. In 48 hours, you'll have a batch of fresh, crunchy Mung sprouts ready to elevate your breakfast game. Store the sprouts in the refrigerator for later use. Combine your freshly sprouted Mung beans, 4 to 5 spoons, with crisp apple slices for an irresistible fusion of flavors and nutrients. This delightful combination is not just delicious, but also packed with vitality to fuel your day right. Take pleasure in your mung bean sprouts and apple slices by relishing them slowly. Enjoy each bite. Chew thoroughly, and let your taste buds revel in the harmony of flavors. Begin with a moderate amount, and if these delightful duos become your breakfast favorites, feel free to add more to your plate. Of course, if you have any allergies to mung bean sprouts or apples, or if you experience tummy bloating, it's best to enjoy responsibly or skip this combo and explore other delicious breakfast options. Your health and well-being always come first. Thank you for joining us on Wellness Guide Hub today. Stay tuned for more invaluable tips and tricks to enhance your wellness journey. Until next time, remember to prioritize your health and stay vibrant. Remember to subscribe for all the latest updates.